The Neverland Tire Inflator portable air compressor is a game-changer for anyone who has ever found themselves in a pinch with a flat tire or a low-pressure situation. Compact, efficient, and brimming with features, this device is a must-have for both emergency roadside assistance and everyday use. First impressions matter, and the design of the Neverland Tire Inflator certainly makes a statement. Its sleek, ergonomic form is not only visually appealing but also practical. The inflator is lightweight, making it easy to carry around or store in your vehicle without taking up too much space. Weighing in at just around 2.5 pounds, it fits snugly into your glove compartment or trunk while still being robust enough to handle regular use. One of the standout features of the Neverland Tire Inflator is its high-capacity battery. With a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it offers great portability, allowing you to inflate tires without being tethered to a power outlet. A full charge is typically enough to inflate multiple tires, making it perfect for both cars and bicycles. The battery life indicator is a thoughtful addition, ensuring you're never caught off guard by a low battery when you need it most. Inflation speed is another critical aspect of any tire inflator, and the Neverland does not disappoint. It boasts an efficient motor that can inflate a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in under 5 minutes. For those who might be skeptical, this speed is not just marketing fluff. Extensive testing showed consistent performance regardless of the tire size. The built-in pressure gauge is easy to read, ensuring you maintain the correct pressure level without the risk of overinflation. This feature is particularly useful for those who may not be familiar with their tire specifications. Versatility is key when it comes to air compressors, and the Neverland Tire Inflator excels here as well. It comes with multiple nozzle attachments, allowing you to inflate everything from sports equipment like soccer balls and basketballs to air mattresses and inflatable pools. This adaptability makes it an essential tool not just for car owners but for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities or even just casual family fun. Safety features have been carefully considered in the design of the Neverland Tire Inflator. The unit includes an automatic shut-off feature that stops the inflator once it reaches the desired pressure. This not only protects your tires but also makes the operation much safer, especially for those who might be inexperienced in using air compressors. Additionally, the inflator is equipped with a bright LED light, which is incredibly useful for emergency situations or when you find yourself needing to inflate a tire in low-light conditions. While the Neverland Tire Inflator has many commendable qualities, it's worth mentioning a few areas that could use improvement. The noise level during operation is somewhat higher than some competing models, which may be a point of concern for users who value quieter devices. That said, it is not unbearably loud and is certainly manageable, especially when compared to larger, traditional air compressors. Another potential drawback is the charging time. Although the battery life is impressive, recharging it takes a bit longer than expected, especially for users who might need to quickly turn around and use it again. A quick charge option could enhance user experience significantly. The price point of the Neverland Tire Inflator is another consideration. Positioned in the mid-range category, it presents excellent value for its features and performance. For individuals who prioritize quality and reliability, the investment is justified. However, budget-conscious consumers may need to weigh their options against more basic models available in the market. In conclusion, the Neverland Tire Inflator portable air compressor is a solid choice for anyone in need of a reliable, efficient, and portable tire inflator. Its high-capacity battery, rapid inflation speed, and versatile attachments make it suitable for a variety of applications, from vehicle maintenance to recreational activities. While there are minor areas for improvement, the benefits far outweigh them, making this inflator a worthwhile addition to your toolkit. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a family gearing up for summer outings,